Hello everyone, welcome back to the Facebook Marketing Software YouTube channel. Today, I'll guide you on how to automatically post Reels videos in bulk to your Facebook fan pages. First, log in to the MKT Page software. Here, you can manage multiple pages across different Facebook accounts. Notably, you can even create pages automatically using the Page Admin feature, complete with all necessary information. Once your pages are ready, go to the Viral Marketing section and select the Post Reel Facebook feature. Next, choose the Reels videos you want to post and add relevant hashtags to ensure better distribution of your content. After making your selections, you can decide whether to enable interaction with the posts after they are successfully uploaded. Additionally, specify the number of Reels videos you want to post on each page. Finally, hit the Start button to begin the process. You can simply sit back and wait for the results. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it interesting, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next video.